Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Apologies if the thumbnail is a bit jacked up and if it threw you off, but I filmed this massive nail art haul and tried to fit it all into one video, but it was almost an hour long, so I cut it into smaller bite-sized pieces like part 1, part 2, etc. And hopefully you'll tune in to each video. I've also tried to add the brand names into each video title so that you'll know what you're going to see in each one. So let's jump in. Wiki wiki wong. Wiki wong. So I just had another little package show up right as I sat down to start editing this video. Sorry we're jumping all over the place. I took my nails off last night, sat down to edit today, and look what has arrived. I didn't go too crazy on Black Friday, but Lisette's Gel Nails was having a Black Friday sale. I think it was 30% off, and if you don't subscribe to her here on the old Tube of Views, that's how I found Lisette. And she has her own line. She's a boss babe. We love that. She does gel stuff, strictly gels and not acrylics, but she also has, she's a bling lover. And you know, I said I don't really do a lot of bling stuff. However, just see what I purchased. Just watch this. Okay, so first of all, can we talk about this freaking box? I mean, it is a sturdy, heavy duty boy. Gorgeous packaging, pink and gold and rose gold. That's sort of like her theme. I will put a link up here in the cards to her channel. Y'all have to go sub to her. She does the most amazing nail art. Here is, what is this? This is just, thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your support. Here are their tags. She is Lisette's Gel Nails all over the social medias. She even hand wrote me a little thank you here. That was so super nice of her. She's just the cutest too. Like, y'all go check out her videos. She's freaking adorable. Here's my little thank you sticker. How beautiful is this? We have packing peanuts. Hopefully these are the biodegradable ones. They feel as though they are. She gets an extra point for that. Look, you guys. Tara bought bling. Well, kind of. A little. I got, good Lord, these are beautiful. 4 different colors of caviar beads. I don't do a lot of the big chunky stuffs, but I thought a few little caviar beads ain't gonna hurt nobody. Gorgeous. And these are hefty boys. Hefty boys. These jars are very, very thick and very heavy. So I am digging that. Of course, I had to have a little gem picker-upper waxy pin thingy majiggy bobby. I've actually been looking for these all over the place. AliExpress, Shein, Amazon. They're expensive and I don't know why. I don't know. I can never really find one that's at a price range that I was willing to pay, because I ain't trying to pay $15 for one of these. So I want to say, you know, with her 30% off, this was like 6 or 7 doll hairs, and it's gorgeous and it's branded. And look, it's even sealed up with a little sticker. So it is a wax stone picker. You have a little waxy part here on one end, and then when you get it in, when you get your stud, I keep calling them studs, y'all. What am this 1980? When you get your rhinestone or your caviar bead in place, you can use the little picker part, a little pointy, looks like a little dotting tool to move it precisely into place. So I got that. Oh, okay. So Lisette does these nail designs, and she uses they're called cuticle bars, and she has them in different, she has these in different colors, you know, gold, silver. I grabbed the rose gold ones because I feel like I could do a lot of different colored manis and designs using the, you know, and the rose gold cuticle bars will look beautiful with the color palettes that I choose for my designs. These are different, let's see, finishes, I guess, different textures. Some are smooth, some are laser cut, I think. These are freaking stunning. And they're all different sizes too. Obviously, these are little tiny babies for your pinky cuticles. These are stunning, and it looks to be, oh, hello, Gorge. Look at that. Okay, there's her website. Y'all go check her out. But it looks to be quite a large quantity in here. Yeah, you get a ton of those. And In the video in which she was announcing that she was having a 30% off Black Friday sale, unfortunately she was really sickly, but she did this, so I hope you're feeling better, Miss Lisette, but she did this gorgeous sort of winter theme, and she used, where is it? This right here. Oh, by the way, these are chains, in case you didn't know, but she used this little ball chain. That's totally wrong. This is the one she used. It actually looks like little tiny caviar beads. Popcorn chain. Maybe that's the term I'm using. I'm trying to bring back back when I used to watch QVC and all the jewelry things. But this is the one that she used to do sort of like frame her nail that she did. I'll put a picture of that up here, She has like some curb chains, box chains. So you can just cut these, you know, use maybe cuticle nippers or something, some metal wire cutters, and just cut these to whatever length your little heart desires and utilize those. So that's it, y'all. That's really all I purchased. I only got 4 things. Again, I couldn't afford to go crazy in her store, and I already feel like I already own way too much sort of extension gel and builder gel and all that kind of stuff. So I went for more of the accessories. We are accessorizing. So y'all may be seeing me glue some stuff on some stuff. So thank you, Miss Lisette, for having this 30% off sale. I was able to imbibe. I was able to support your brand for the very first time, and I'm really, really excited about that. Y'all go check out her shop. What is it? LGNpro.com. And her channel, because she's freaking adorable. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to me. I got the new Madam Glam lamp. I used this when I was at G Money's. It is freaking amazing. So there's one, but guess what? Guess what, you guys? I got 2. I used my points to get me a Madam Glam lamp. But as I was discussing this purchase at G Money's, and Nana and I and G Money were all talking, I said, you know what? I think I'm going to use my points to get me 2 lamps. And Nana said, I'll buy you the second lamp because I do her nails, right? She said, that'll be your Christmas gift. I told her I would be good and I would let her wrap one, well, maybe both, and I won't open them until Christmas. So I will be boxing up my trusty dusty Melody Susie lamp that has done me so well for so many years, and then the other random lamp from a company that I don't support anymore. I am so geeked about having 2 of these lamps, y'all, and I will come back and do a full ass demo sometime probably the first week in January. This is an absolute must-have. Trust me, I know on Amazon's and all these different websites there are a million trillion quintillion different gel lamps at different price points, and this is not cheap. It's not cheap. I mean, even as a VIP, you're still going to spend a little bit more coins than you would on a very less expensive brand or a no-name brand type of a thing, a generic knockoff or what have you. Worth every freaking penny. Worth every penny. Y'all know, G Money and I did tons of nails when I was down there at her house, so I used the hell out of that lamp. Immediately came home, boom, Black Friday shopping, picked up 2. But that ain't all. I also grabbed in my order the gold gel paints that I do not own. Everyone else seems to own it, and everyone else seems to love it. It's the sparkly gold. I don't know why I have never purchased this. Every single video that I see somebody using this, I'm like, damn, that is fire. Why do I not have it? Well, now I do. Madam Glam was also doing some special thing where if you spent a certain amount of monies, they sent you a free gel polish removal bundle. So this is what I got. The extra shit in my package with my lamps and my gel paint. I've never tried this. It is gel polish remover. I have not opened this. I don't know what it looks like. I've never seen anybody demo this or review this on the old tube of views. G Money, I'm pretty sure I asked her about this a long time ago, like when I first started doing gels on Nana, because I hate soaking. I hate soaking off gels, which is pretty much why I just forced myself to get used to my e-file, because I'm like, I cannot be sitting here for half an hour soaking off freaking gel polish. And I'm pretty sure G Money was like, I've tried products like this, hit or miss, maybe they'll work, maybe they won't. So I never picked this up, but Madam Glam sent this to me. This was part of the gel removal bundle. I'll set you here. I also got, and I didn't even know they sold these, y'all, but these are my favorite lint-free wipes. I got a little box of 100 of those. I got three files, 2 100, 180, and this is a big ass buffer. This is 303,000, as well as this is their Elixir cuticle oil. Nana loves their Elixir cuticle oil. I personally prefer cream. I live in my Ribbit Stickets hand and cuticle cream. Nana loves the cuticle oil. This is the one that I constantly use on Nana. As you can see, I had to put a rubber band on it so I can get the damn top off when my hands are greasy and dry as well. Greasy or dry. She loves this. Thank you, Madam Glam. Also, before we get to the biggie, these are the gel removal nail clips. Again, if you wanted to soak that shit off, you can. However, I don't think I've ever seen clips that say they're touchscreen friendly. That's cool. So I don't know, and I haven't opened these. Maybe they have like a little rubberized thing on the tip. So your client, as they're soaking, can still scroll the grams and do all that stuff. Scroll the tickies. But you guys, they also included this little mini nail polishing pen. And I'm assuming it does come with the bit. I don't know. I haven't opened it. This might actually go in my giveaway because right before I left G Money's, she had one of these and she said, do you want it? Tossed it in my box along with the charger. So I already have one. This may actually just stay packaged up, but you can use this. It's not designed, y'all, to just completely remove like an entire, like don't be trying to take off acrylics with this, right? It only goes up top speed 12,000 RPMs. But it's tiny, you know, it's skinny. It's not big and bulky like your actual hand piece. You can use this little skinny, I mean, it's not super skinny. It's not like a cuticle bit, but you can use this small little barrel bit to etch your tips if you want to. You can use it, crank it up to 8,000 RPMs and remove your top coat so that you can use your clips to soak off your gel polish if you ain't trying to use a full ass e-file to file off all your stuff. But I thought, what the heck? What a nice little bundle. And I have actually seen these out in the market recently over the last several months. And these are like, it depends on who's selling them, right? Some of these are going for 60, 75, 80 bucks. They included that in this nail polish removal bundle. Okay, guys, thank y'all for joining. If you stuck around this long, the keyword is lamp. The keyword is lamp, lamp, lamp. Keyword's lamp. I'm so excited for my freaking Christmas gifts. Now I have to go put up my Christmas tree. No, I'm sorry. Now I have to take off my nails and then go put up my Christmas tree. All right, if y'all stuck around this long, bless ya. Cookies, kudos, trophies to y'all. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.